Ariel. My name is Kevin Farrell with Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you very much for inquiring about the Accent GS. This is the exact car that you wanted. Beautiful, beautiful red. Take a look at the back. See how much room you got in the back seat for 3 passengers. Up front here, in the center console there, you can have a CD player, AM, FM with satellite radio. You have USB and an auxiliary hookup. You also have cruise control over there. Of course, your air conditioning, naturally air conditioning and heat the best. What I love about this car, not only the gas mileage is tremendous, but you have a 5-year 60 roadside assistance. 5-year roadside assistance, 5-year 60,000 miles, bumper to bumper coverage warranty, and you have a 10 years powertrain warranty. Your powertrain consists of your engine, your transmission, and your drive axles. Tameron will double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Come see me. My name is Kevin Farrell. My phone number is 205-914-3049. That is my direct line. I want you to come and test drive this vehicle. See if you can do it this week, maybe this weekend or something. Ariel, give me a call. My name is Kevin Farrell, 205-914-3049. You're going to love this vehicle, and I'll take care of you. Thank you.